Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This time around I'm just going to take a look at another ignition method. So in the past I've covered off fire steels, traditional flinted steel. Today I'm going to look at using the sun. So I've got my fire lighting tin with me, all done up with a little ranger band. I carry a few bits and pieces in here, so I've got some more inner tube, there's some bits of cotton wool, some cotton wool pads dipped in, and candle wax, got fire steel, some fire dragon, Vaseline, a lighter. So what I'm after today is my Fresnell lens. So I'm just going to pop that there. So Fresnell, or Fresnel, was a French physicist, and to the best of my knowledge in the early 1700s he was asked to try to figure out a way to make lighthouses visible from further out to sea. So he came up with this idea of concentric layers of glass. Nowadays we could put it into something like this. So it is credit card size, so that it can just slip into your wallet, into your purse, into your pocket. So often people talk about carrying 3 ways to light a fire with them. Something like this, the weight is negligible, the size is negligible. You could quite easily go with a 4th ignition method with one of these. Clearly, in terms of weaknesses, if the sun isn't out, then you're not going to be able to get a fire lit with a Fresnel lens. Now, I found a little earlier King Alfred's cake, so we're going to have a go at igniting that. Just want to give it a quick clean on my t-shirt, like so. Now, with any kind of lens, Fresnel lens, magnifying glass, whatever it might be, you need to have it in line with the sun, and you want the sun to come through the lens at 90 degrees. So something like that, and what we're looking for is just to get that dot that is produced as small as possible. So with this now, pop that into a tinder bundle and use that to light my fire. As I say, Fresnel lens, really great little bit of kit to carry around. They're as cheap as chips. As long as you got sun, really effective. So thank you for watching our video. Make sure you don't miss any future content by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Take care. Stay safe.